Hi, my name is Rakesh. I reside at Mumbai. I'm currently 45 years old. From 40 years, at the age of 40, I was been suffering from blood pressure, cholesterol issue, even the tragedies, arthritis, uric acid, and many more, like we can say. And even I was a fatty person. Now, like from 40 year, at the age of 40, I was taking the medicines for last 5 years, we can say, like the blood pressure twice a day, cholesterol 40 power, for tragedies, अलग separate medicine 135 mg power, for arthritis again 3 4 medicines, blood thinner separate was added up by the doctor. But at the end, what happened in 5 years? Nothing. The disease was keep growing, medicine work started damaging the body parts, kidney, everything, liver, and many things. So ultimately, like from last 5 years, there was no solution, only just a really a pain in the life with medicines. So I was looking at the web page like Facebook, where I was looking out like for the thing where I can go to the root cause of the disease and solve my issue. So on the web page Facebook of mine, I saw the Wellcare naturopathy. So I connected to them and spoken to their customer service where I got the solution. They go with the nature. But first, it was really surprise for me whether it will go like how the nature works with the human body. That was really out of my way, like question like, does it help or not? It was a big question mark. Then ultimate, I joined their program VP, and yeah, the result was superb. I met Dr. Prashanti there on the online services and Madam Asha. They are the really mentor in my life, which they have got me in just 1.5 months out from all the medicines. Today I'm not taking even a single medicines. The blood pressure 2 medicines I shot morning 40 power and the night 50 power. Cholesterol 40 power that also left. For tragedies also 135 mg drug. Arthritis 4 5 medicines that also stopped completely. Weight loss 12 kgs in 1.5 months. That was a super. Even I was under the pre-diabetic also went, and that also came now till 5.2. From 6.1, it came to 5.2 within 1.5 month. Cholesterol also left. Even any no blood thinner medicine also have stopped. Everything. So I really cheers for them, both of them, who are my real mentor. And I'll be continuing without the medicines from now onwards. There's no required for that. Just go to the root cause with plant-based food, eating, and you'll success in your life in health problems. There's no needed medicines in your life. Thank you.